Yeah, okay, throttle back, man, throttle back. Looks good, looks good. Throttle back. You got it made, you got it made, Larry. You're gonna go home with an airplane that's still in one piece. It's all right, just set her down.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in the middle of the lake.
Hey!
If I can get it back now.
Now, pull up elevator to taxi back. Hey, Larry's doing a fast taxi back. He's gonna win because he's going home with a complete airplane. Look at that, look at that. You too can do this. You can even try it at home. Right, Larry?
That hurt.
Well, Jim Weaver says he's gonna do it with his maul and show these guys with thingies how to fly.
Maybe.
All right, here we go. The first Northwest Seaplane Limbo Championships. Here with a maul. Okay, he's heading for the first set of limbo poles. He's gonna do a loop in between. Down to the second set. And he keeps doing that for 4 minutes. First set. Second set. Loop-de-loop. Down to the second set. Look at that concentration. Loop-de-loop to the second set. Oh, he's being conservative now. He's not looping in between. The maul. Jim Weaver has plans for this airplane, but don't call him, he'll call you. And his time's just about up. He's through. Survived another limbo.
I forgot who you were. You ready to go? Yeah, no.
We got Bill Bachman, our resident Sky Knight here in Pinehollow, going up with his de Havilland Beaver. With lots of power. Missed that one. Maybe not. Woo, he came out of that loop and almost tip stalled.
Always the diehard. In this wind, with rudder and elevator only. Dick Hansen. Rudder only. Dick Hansen. Rudder and elevator. First pass at the limbos.
You're okay, Dick.
Comes the next pass.
The Northwest Seaplane Championships are held the weekend after the 4th of July at Pinehollow Reservoir, Wamak, Oregon.
The master at work. 3 seconds left.
Well, we want to say thank you to our sponsors, Procter Enterprises, Tammy's Hobbies, RC Modeler Northwest, Hobbies Unlimited, Foremost Products, Aero Sports Hobbies, Airtronics, Nelson Scott, Hanson Scale Aviation Videos, Sky Knights RC Club, Pinehollow Lakeside Resort, McGill Equity Group. Okay, here's some of the prizes.
These guys are going to have a fly-off. One of them's got to go back and get his airplane. He's already packed it up, so he's going to go get that. When they come back, they're going to see how many rolls they can do. And if
We want to thank the Portland Sky Knights for putting on this first annual Northwest Limbo Championships. The wind blew us out. These are the trophies for the scale flying. These are the trophies for fun scale and static and electric. Look at those.
Thanks to the people who have helped and volunteered in every aspect of this. Setup, assisting with the judging, helping buy the prizes and donating prizes. And I really appreciate the assistance. It helped it go a lot better than having me worry about everything.
Dale McDonald, our CD. Good man, Dale.
All.
thank you, Dale.
Third place in electric. Good going, Dale. Second place,
I've got no problem with it.
Jerry Holcomb in electric
Frenchman.
scale. Good going, Jerry. Good going.
Congratulations.
Shell.
Aaron, you're welcome.
First place, Aaron. Great in electric. You're a good man. Shepard wins third place in static scale for his Henkel 2. Great going. Second place, scale static. Bill Bachman, our residential Pinehollow representative from Sky Knights. Good going, Bill. As usual, wins first place in static scale with his Maul. Good going, Jim.
Thank you.
Proverbial winner. Hey, Bill Bachman wins fourth place in scale flying. Good going, Bill. Third place, I accept. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dick.
Look at that. Paradise, California, second place in scale flying.
Congratulations, Larry.
Look at that trophy.
I want to take the trophies back.
Nice going, Larry. Come again next year. Guessed it, first place flyer here, Jim Weaver in scale flying.
Thank you.
Great going, Jim. Have nothing on us. We got gambling here at Pinehollow.
Bill to Steve.
Bill wins $5
7-14-02.
from Steve
Oh,
Saylor.
wrong one. That's last year's.
Give him his money, quick.
Steve to Bill. 7-14-02.
Bill Bachman, fifth place in fun scale. Good going, Bill. Ingemeyer, fourth place, fun scale. Just fun flying. Good going, Mike. Andy Weaver from the great state of Washington. Mark Findlay wins second place, only losing out on first by one roll. Is that right?
That's right.
Hey, good luck. Tommy Wenzel wins first place in fun scale, a Northwest Seaplane champion 2003. Good going, Tommy. Yesterday was your birthday?
Yep. Friday.
Friday was your birthday. Happy birthday. In fact, Chad Cheney won himself a Piper Cub Goldbird.
From Grandpa, yeah.
We expect to see that flying, okay? From Vancouver and his pretty wife, Tina. Okay, that's the end of the 2003 Northwest Seaplane Championships. And we were blown out all day Saturday, and it was blowing early Sunday morning, so we did a real quick limbo, so it turned into the first annual Northwest Seaplane Limbo Contest. And we're going to close down shop here and head for home, and hope to see all you people next year. Well, this is going to be the second annual Dawn Patrol at Grand Sharps Field. This will be the first one at Grand Sharps Field. The first one was held up in Wenatchee, Washington in 2002. Great fun was had by all. All World War I airplanes down to pre-World War I. Put on by John Radabaugh in cooperation with Grant Sharp. And then also the classic airplane race all weekend long, plus volunteer races. Should be fun. Well, here we are, Grant Sharp Field. Joe Topper's test running his Laser 150, I think it is, in his Fokker spin. Just a taxi test there. Not much rudder, but that's the way it was. Joe's giving it a range check with the antenna down. Seems to work okay. Okay, Joe Topper says this is it. Ooh. Let's try that again.